Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor 21 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down to localize this phone ringtone section and tap on it. So now you can see that here we've got pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, we've got the option Add Ringtone, thanks to which we can enter our own files. So if you've got something, for example, recorded or downloaded, it should appear somewhere here in those folders, and you will be able to set it as your own ringtone, of course, if it is compatible. In order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So, for example, this one, and let me volume it down, definitely. And basically, this is how it works. So just tap on the option and listen if you want to use it or not. So let's pretend I wish to set this, I don't know, joyous option. Just tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.